Do you want to draw better from observation? Are you frustrated at not being able to draw what you see? Do you want to see and capture proportions more accurately with a sense of three-dimensionality? Many beginning artists struggle with drawing from observation, but the good news is that the few drawing skills you need to know can be learned and improved on with practice and guidance. In How to Draw What You See, you'll learn the 5 skills that all artists use when drawing from observation, and you'll learn how to overcome the common mistakes beginners make. With these foundational skills, you'll soon be able to draw anything around you with a fair degree of realism and confidence. Don't let self-doubt hold you back from pursuing your passion for drawing. With the exercises in How to Draw What You See, you'll be on your way to drawing more confidently, faster than you expected. Download How to Draw What You See. And finally, start drawing like you've always wanted.